Are you looking for movies that are fun and that teach you about money and how to manage it? Check out these top finance films on Netflix. Now, this video is not financial advice. You know, it's for educational purposes only. I gotta say it. Now, managing money can feel confusing, but what if you could learn important lessons while watching movies? Listen, Netflix has some great films that will entertain you and teach you how to make smarter money decisions. All right. So whether you want to learn about investing, saving, or, just getting better with money, these movies are perfect for you. Okay. So here are some great choices to check out. The Pursuit of Happyness. Okay. This movie shows you how hard work and determination can help you overcome financial struggles. Okay. Then you got Money Monster. This is a thrilling movie about the stock market and learning to make better financial choices. Then you got The Inside Job. This documentary dives deep into the financial crisis and helps you understand how the world of finance works. You got The Big Short, okay? It's a fascinating look at the 2008 financial crisis and how a few smart investors really made big moves, okay? Those movies are going to help you understand money in a way that's fun and exciting. So listen, start watching today, get inspired to take control of your finances. And if you got anything out of this video, leave me a like. I love you.